Hello everyone, you're welcome once again to my channel. I want to say a big welcome to you all. Thanks to all my returning subscribers, and if today is your first time of coming, I say you are welcome. You are in the right place. Please stay free, feel comfortable to watch to the end of this video. I appreciate every time you are spending watching my video. You are awesome people. Okay, today I will be putting on this beautiful soap, and then I will be using only 2 ingredients to make bar soap. Making bar soap with only ingredient. And what are they? The oil and the lye solution. This is lye solution. This is the oil I'm using, and the lye solution is the caustic soda with water. Okay, when you talk about lye, is a caustic soda solution. For those ones just coming up, so lye is not any strange thing. So I'm dividing the lye into 2, and of course what I did initially was I divided the oil into 2 because I want to produce 2 colors out of these 2 ingredients. So what you can see me doing is pouring the lye solution into my oil, and you can see this is what we call batter. When you hear batter in soap making, that is when the oil and the caustic is already saponifying. When they are already mixing up, the chemicals are already interacting with each other. Okay, that's what you call batter. And your batter should always be in form of pipe-like. Can you see? That's what you call batter. It's like pap. Okay, so I'll be adding my color, because you know I say I'm making 2 colors. This is pink color or magenta color. The color is very beautiful. It comes out very well. You can see it. So I mix my color, and the kind of color I'm using is the water soluble color. Okay, you only use water soluble color in the batter and not in the oil. Okay, so I mix my color with the batter to give me that pink, or you call it magenta color, any color you want to call it. Okay, just to remind us once again that I run free online classes. Reach me on my number on the screen, or you join our WhatsApp group. The link is in the description below. Okay, see you then. Okay, still mixing my batter with the color. I want it to mix very well first, and then as much as possible always pour your soap mixture into your mold before it becomes strong. Okay, because before it becomes strong, in absence of having silicone mold, please make use of wooden mold, any kind of mold you use. So I'm just going to use this sample as for my mold. When you are using this kind of mold, this particular one I'm pouring into, don't forget to put oil. Okay, put oil, rub oil on the plastic, just to make it easy to come out when you are molding it. Okay, and so you can see it, I did not fill up the containers because I want to mix another color, and that was why I separated some of the oil and some of the lye. So it depends on the size you want to. In my own, this pink color is more than the other color because I just remain little just to top it, just to give it 2 colors. Remember, we are working with only 2 chemicals in making this bar soap. So it's not until you pack every chemicals into it before you make your soap. And if you're after profit, you need to wash the chemicals you put in your soap. With these 2 chemicals I'm using, the soap is still coming out very foamy. That is, it lathers well, is strong, and then every property you need in a soap is there. And with this method I use, there is still room for profit. Do you know why? Because I didn't use so much chemicals, and yet I still have the result with some of the soap that has so many chemicals mixed together. Okay, so the first set of the soap, which is this pink, is left for some time, about 10-15 minutes, so that I can solidify a bit, because I don't want the second color to penetrate into it. I just want the second color to be on top of it, so that the two colors can come out separately. Okay, so if you can see what I'm doing now, I put my color inside the oil. This color I'm putting is the oil soluble color. Oil soluble, that is, this one really goes well with oil. If you pour this one in water, it might not mix very well. So this oil soluble, you mix in the oil before you pour your lye. Okay, so you have to mix it very well and make sure it's thoroughly mixed before pouring your lye. Okay, like I said, the quantity of this oil is not as much as the first set of oil. So the next thing, you pour your lye. Just repeat the process of how the pink one was done, and that's all. And then avoid your trace becoming thick. Okay, becoming thick, avoid thick trace. Okay, when we meet in the WhatsApp group, a lot of things will be said about this pattern. You'll be able to differentiate them, and you'll be able to know when and when not to put it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this my yellow color pattern on the pink color. You can see it. The process of this color is wonderful. Look at it, it's turning out pink, and by the time it's coming out, the color is something else. Okay, just top it with your yellow soap mixture, and then just shake it so that it can balance very well. Yes, you do have to shake it so that it will enter and come out with good shape. Thanks so much for staying till now. You are awesome people. I appreciate. Please do one thing for me. Just click on that subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. But if you have subscribed, just click on that like. Give this video a thumbs up so that it can reach many people, just like how it got to you, so that it can get to other people. Just a like, it doesn't cost you anything, and just take your finger to that like button. Yes, give it thumbs up, and then please do comment, say one thing, ask your question in the comment section, give constructive comments, recommend it for others, and please do share it out. Let it reach more people. So you can give it a cover, you can leave it open as you desire, but at times I give it a cover so that it can cover. Either of them will be okay. Yes, this is the outcome of the soap. When you look at it, look at the upper color. Like I told you, the lower one is bigger. Like I said, you should put oil. My not putting oil did not allow it to come out very well. So if you can see it, it might be rough your side. Is because I didn't put oil in this kind of container. But if it were a silicone container or the other containers I use, they come out well. You can see it's beautiful. In an attempt to bring it out, that's why it has that little surfaces. Thanks so much. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe, and also comment. God bless you. Bye.